we are going to analyze the measurements that you need verify before you install a new liner. When you receive the new liner, you need verify the diameter, the bore of the cylinder. Verify that the diameter is according with the diameter of the piston, the shoulder, the height of the shoulder, and the thickness of the shoulder, both of them. Because this is important because you need verify that one and verify against the dimension that you have in the block. Because if you have play in between the liner and the block, you have a lot of problems. Remember that this area of the liner is surrounded by coolant. You need to avoid leaks of coolant. How you know if you have leaks of coolant? Because if you check with the dipstick, you verify that the oil is emulsified with coolant. Probably you have leaks on the O-rings. For that reason, it's important to verify those dimensions. Other dimension that is critical is the length of the sleeve, especially in order to avoid that the sleeve touch the oil jets. The length of the sleeve should be exactly the same. You need to verify that the O-rings in the new sleeves enter appropriated. And you need to verify that the O-rings are original O-rings and verify the color of the O-rings and verify that all of them, they enter in the grooves that you have on the sleeve. This is an important and critical part. Exactly the same, verify that the pistons are according with the sleeves. The diameter of the piston is according with the sleeves, and verify that the length of the sleeve don't touch the oil jets in the bottom. This is a critical part in this verification.